let's get on to our main event. Scheduled for one fall, no time limit. Your referee, Matt Lauderdale.
I love the point of pick up 10,000 from Dez, we'll took about like 20 G's from him. Next door, out of here, we saw all that kids with all that big button nose with the long hair across something.
Introducing first, making his way to the ringside area, representing the nation of intoxication, ladies and gentlemen, Devon The second participant in this contest, currently making his way to the ringside area, weighing 137 pounds, fighting out of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, this is Drew.
big man, the Bulldozer, Matt Tremont, and they take him over the hip with a double hip pass.
Well, they used to be a tag team.
Absolutely, the notorious Inc., and that was one of their patented maneuvers years ago. Still very much friends in and outside the realm of pro wrestling, but hey, friendships go out the window when there's a match to be won.
All's fair in love and war. And although there may be a lot of love between Devon Moore and Drew Blood, right now in the squared circle, they're going to war.
They're like brothers, pretty much, Larry.
Blood brothers?
Essentially.
One of them did draw blood.
Maybe even closer than some blood brothers that I know come through this business for the past 15 years together.
Well, MLJ, I know that you were there. I was there when these two men were hazed into a little land that we like to call the combat zone. And I've got to tell you, there were times when I was at ringside watching their very flesh ripped from their bodies. And I got to tell you, you want to talk about a stiff right hand. Not too many throw them like Matt Tremont, the Bulldozer.
He's got such a powerful right hand. I can't believe Drew Blood stayed standing after the first one. Low bridge. Tremont going right into the barricade.
And Devon Moore perched. Big time.
You gotta keep your head on a swivel in a match like this.
Indeed.
Now let me ask you something, Larry Legend, just to clarify, one fall to a finish.
One fall, MLJ, so I guess you would call this triple threat rule.
Certainly right.
As opposed to a three-way dance. And we've got action right in front of us here. The fans are moving out of the way because Drew Blood, getting cut off at the pass. And a pair of fists are able to fell him like a great oak. Oh wait, what is this? Devon Moore and Tremont both have a plan. Let's see if they can execute it on either sides of the ring. Stereo flying, diving headbutts.
Who's gonna get on top first? It's Matt Tremont. Devon Moore pulling him off.
And what they look like right now are two hyenas fighting over the carcass of an antelope that has been taken down. That antelope being Drew Blood.
Vivid analogy.
I gotta tell you, I'll take you to Wild America before the night's through. Oh, that big Coco Bongo headbutt. Oh, but Matt Tremont answers back.
Very much your headbutts of Matt Tremont.
And what is this? Elevating Drew Blood to the heavens right here in the Lighthouse Hall in Eddystone.
Look at this exchange of forearms here. Oh, double bulldog out of nowhere.
Drew Blood able to take both men down.
He saw an opening and he took it.
Now I gotta tell you, Brett Lauderdale is the senior official and I appreciate the hell out of him. But what a fashion faux pas to have those big gray sneakers on when he's a black and white zebra. He's an official. It's like wearing white socks and a black tuxedo.
Or wearing ankle socks with a suit. Excuse me.
You said it, partner. I know that you know fashion as well as I do because I've seen your dress. Oh, we got a triple or a double sleeper here. But Drew Blood able to just drop to his bottom, jacking the jaw of both Devon Moore and Tremont. What's this?
What an incredible move out of Devon Moore, taking two birds out with one stone.
Now I gotta ask you, partner, out of the skill level of these three competitors, who's been doing it the longest? Is Devon Moore the seasoned vet out of the three?
I gotta give it to Devon Moore. Drew Blood may have broken in a little bit before Devon Moore. I'm not entirely sure, but Devon Moore has had the busier schedule over the years.
Indeed. But the young pup, the young lion here is the Bulldozer Matt Tremont.
Coming up on 9 years in the business. It's crazy, isn't it?
I mean, my jaw just dropped when you said that. You blink and you'll miss it, but 9 years already in?
Yeah, 2007 was 9 years ago. Figure that out.
Good God.
Good job.
And you know, Matt Tremont, he's done it all. You know, I spoke earlier about Danny Havoc's foray in deathmatch wrestling, but if anybody has done more than Danny Havoc in deathmatch wrestling, or just professional wrestling in general, it's Matt Tremont.
Oh, I'm talking about doing more right now. He's given Drew Blood one of the unkindest rides of them all. And Blood
he's all hanged down.
Yeah, hung up. Hanged up, hung up, tied up, caught up. But he ain't locked up. And now Tremont looks like he was going for a big back suplex. Devon Moore using the agility to negotiate an ace crusher.
Big kick out of Tremont. There's still a lot of energy left in Tremont.
Oh, but that bandana just came off. That means he's ready to go to work. Once you remove your regalia, once you remove that bandana, that means it's time to go to work. I ain't talking about McDonald's, I'm talking about the work we get done in a triple threat match. Oh! And that's what I meant. You saw that?
Not for Devon Moore, for himself.
Indeed, he didn't want to be a loser again. Winning is the name of the game. We all want to go to the pay-win to daddy. And I certainly know that Drew Blood didn't come here to get the losers into the purse.
Especially in a triple threat match where that loser's share of the purse is cut in half of what it normally would be.
You're talking business now, partner. And speaking of business, I think it's about to pick up. Looks like Drew Blood stopped off at the Home Depot by way of underneath the ring.
Why are there so many doors underneath this ring?
Well, they say that when one window closes, a door opens.
I bet both Tremont and Devon Moore wish they left that window open. They both drop kicked that door right into the midsection of Drew Blood.
And now Tremont.
I'm just looking around here. There's a chair, two chairs that are now being introduced.
Oh, we got
the door in the ring.
We got some plunder. These gentlemen.
You didn't say anything about no disqualifications, did you?
Well, I mean, I didn't say anything about it, but I've actually been educated myself. In some circles, a triple threat match is automatically no disqualification. I don't know when this came to be, but it looks as if that's what's going to fly here in Hybrid Wrestling Association.
I think Matt Tremont I just think he doesn't want to really enforce the rules.
Well, I mean,
think he's coasting. I think he's resting on his laurels.
Well, it's the main event. We already saw a damn war between Danny DeMonto and DJ Hyde. So at this point, all bets are off. Let's close this damn show out with a bang.
Yeah, I think Matt Lauderdale learned that a double count out or any other sort of no decision. Oh, good Lord, is not going to make this crowd happy. He already raised the ire of the crowd once. He doesn't want to do it again.
And now Tremont, after depositing Drew Blood on the outside with a stiff chair shot, now he looks like he has evil intentions as he's got both of those chairs set up in Brett Lauderdale now. Well, what is he, assisting him to create some sort of damn devastation creation?
A chair door bridge, right?
What?
Is that it?
And I think that bridge is about to come tumbling down.
Drew Blood putting a stop to it. This is getting to be very precarious, Larry. Oh, headbutt.
And you heard it. I've got a bad feeling about this, MLJ. At this point, all bets are off, like I said, and it looks like now.
Oh, no.
Wait a minute. Oh, good God on high. Oh, but Drew Blood able to make the save. Could it be? Yes.
Here is your winner, Drew Blood!
What an action-packed main event to cap off a very historic first event here for the Hybrid Wrestling Association. Larry Legend, what a pleasure it was to call this show with you top to bottom. I mean, this is...
Well, MLJ, I'm being summoned by the boss. It's been a pleasure to be up here with you on the microphone. Let me get down to ringside because I think somebody has a little something they want to say.
Well, while you're doing that, I'll sign off, ladies and gentlemen. Stay tuned to our social media for the next time you can see the Hybrid Wrestling Association in action. For Larry Legend and for Carlos Pinky Santana, Carlos Pinky Sanchez, excuse me, this is MLJ signing off.
Eddystone, Pennsylvania. What you think of